Hi there, today we're exploring the akacozie large room humidifier, perfect for bedrooms and whole houses. This powerful humidifier holds 2.1 gallons and can run up to 48 hours on a single fill, covering spaces up to 1,000 square feet efficiently. You can customize humidity levels from 40% to 90% and choose from 3 mist modes for a comfortable environment. Its top-fill design makes refilling easy and spill-free, while the wide opening ensures thorough cleaning. Enjoy added relaxation with the essential oil tray and soothing multicolor LED lights for better sleep. Plus, the 360-degree nozzle and extended mist tube offer full control over mist direction, all operated quietly and remotely within 10 feet. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.